If you are looking for the best rolling toolbox, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, DEWALT Tool Box. DEWALT Deep Box on Wheels mobile storage delivers everything you need from a toolbox without demanding you break the bank. It's large and durable, which makes it ideal for the job site, but still easy to maneuver the 7-inch wheels and telescopic handle that doesn't interfere with storage, giving you maximum capacity. If this maximum capacity isn't enough for you, the tool Number 2. Stalwart Heavy-Duty Rolling Toolbox. The Stalwart Heavy-Duty Rolling Toolbox is an excellent option for those who want to spend more time off-site than they do on. The large capacity gives you plenty of storage options, and it might be the most comprehensively equipped mobile toolbox we selected. Inside, you'll find 24 small compartments, including removable tool trays and a deep bottom compartment for larger tools. There are also hooks attached to the unit, which makes cable organization something you won't dread doing, and also gives you the option for arranging tape and additional small supplies. Number 3. BOSTITCH Tool Box with wheels. A substantially sized option, the BOSTITCH Rolling Toolbox is an excellent option for anyone who needs storage space for large jobs or are sick of needing several toolboxes, each of which more cluttered than the last. You can separate it into 2 parts, which maximizes productivity and ensures fast arranging, making it wonderfully convenient for when you've got to attend multiple jobs in one day. Its ball-bearing slides that are robust and the 10-gallon volume Number 4. Keter Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox. I like the Keter's design idea that you don't have to break the entire box into parts to open all the compartments. Just lay down the box on the floor and expand the handle. The top 2 compartments slide in opposite directions to open up. One of the top compartments has removable dividers of different sizes. These are awesome because you can remove 1 or 2 to keep the divider close while working. Another top compartment is great to place small to medium-sized tools. Number 5. RIDGID Professional Tool Storage Cart. By the look of it, you can say that these boxes will keep all the tools that you have well secured. You are getting 3 boxes of different dimensions. Only the top box can be used as an organizer. The bottom 2 boxes are suitable to throw large tools in. These compartments don't have any dividers or separators, so the tools keep rolling in those, which is quite annoying. You can use a
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.